In 1983, when Samu Mbakwe was the governor of Imo State, Obigbo was part of Imo State. Now, under what they call the Mama Nasa boundary adjustment, they started carving oil-rich, mineral-rich areas into some states where they will now tell them you are not Igbo. Immediately, they moved Obigbo out of Imo State.
Yes.
What happened? They changed the name to Oyigbo. Mbakwe had to cry. Mbakwe said something. What the meaning of Obigbo is the heart of Igboland. How can you now take it away?
One community that is often mentioned whenever people discuss Igbo history and boundaries, the adjustment, is this Obigbo. Officially, they are calling it now Oyigbo in River State. The heart of Igboland. The one that is supposed to, in Anokana say Obi, heart. The one that is supposed to claim Igbo more. Hey. Anoka is Igbo, and somebody said it is no longer Igbo. Ka Obigbo, the heart, the men. Hey, again. You see, many older people from the area still remember the name Obigbo. They know the truth. They say the community has always been predominantly Igbo speaking, with strong cultural and family ties to other neighboring Igbo communities. You know, the state of a thing, creation of state of a thing, did so much damage as intended to Igbo. It was intentional and it did that damage. You know, when you see some arguments in this recent time, you feel annoyed or you feel bad. This was more than just moving a line on the map. They believed it changed the political identity of the people, as if they should overhaul everything. Now, another point often raises the change in spelling from Obigbo to Oyigbo. Some people see this as a simple change in official spelling. Others believe it represented a gradual effort to separate the community from its Igbo identity. And that is how we see it. It is a very certain. Now, based on what you heard the man said, Obigbo lies close to major industrial and oil producing areas in eastern Niger Delta. So, people who propound this claim, which I think is very clear and the most suitable claim, the argument is that placing the community under River State meant that resources from the area would no longer be counted as belonging to the old Imo State or Igbo region. The people of Obigbo, however, though their identity as River State, they have continued to preserve many aspects of their language, their traditions, festivals, and family connections with neighboring Igbo communities. So today, the issue remains sensitive. While Obigbo is politically part of River State today, many residents still identify culturally as Igbo.